In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple text field in DocHub. If you're working with forms, applications, or documents that need typed responses, adding text fields makes your PDF easy for others to fill out. I'll walk you through the exact process, and I'll share a few practical tips to keep everything clean, consistent, and professional. Start by opening your PDF in DocHub. You can upload a file from your computer or open one from a connected cloud service. Once the document appears, take a moment to confirm you're on the right page and that the content is laid out the way you want. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can place fields precisely, especially near lines or boxes where you want people to type. Next, look at the top of the DocHub interface and click Fields or Prepare Form. These lead to the same set of form tools. When you open this area, you'll see options designed for creating interactive elements. If you don't see the toolbar, make sure you're in editing mode and not just viewing the document. From the Form tools, select Text Field. This is the tool that lets you create areas where someone can click and type. After you select it, your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to place a field. Think about where the responses should go before you click so your layout stays consistent throughout the document. Click anywhere on the document where you want the text field to appear. If you need multiple fields, simply click again in each location where a typed answer should go. Place them where the reader's eye naturally moves, typically to the right of a label or directly below a prompt. Avoid covering existing text or lines. Keeping a small margin around your field makes it easier to read and fill. Finally, resize and position the text fields as needed. Click and drag the corners or edges to make a field wider or taller, and drag the field itself to move it into place. Aim for consistent widths for similar answers, and align fields visually with the document's margins or with each other. Zoom in for precision and use any on-screen guides that appear to keep everything straight. You can click inside a field to quickly test how text will look and ensure there's enough space. That's all you need to add multiple text fields in DocHub. With these steps, your PDF will be ready for clear, neat, and fillable responses.